Look at the view. Ah, my God.
Lots of houses being built, darling, so they must sell them.
I think it's the Chinese.
I know Australian people buy them, don't they?
I think Australian loves to move, change place. It's like
Our
a
average person in Australia moves house every 7 years.
yeah. There's a metro. It's open.
That one that Christopher had first off was a
Spot.
nice house, wasn't it?
But the one with Kyla, I like that one.
Oh yeah.
At least they have a strip.
Yeah.
That's a nice spot up there.
But they had houses. They had all of these houses were display houses, but now
It's
as they've sold them, and they've moved up the hill.
yeah. But look at the view up there. My God. Blue sky.
You don't notice it after a while, though, darling.
Huh?
You don't notice it after a while,
Yeah.
but you?
You don't notice it if you just look at, but if you have in the record, you can see the how nice is the view. Yeah. Beautiful blue sky. We need something from ALDI because I'm hungry.
You want to shop at ALDI?
Oh, where I'm here. We just shop at ALDI.
Plus, you haven't had breakfast, have you?
I had bread. I ate bread. I had 2 coffee. Oh my God! The lady, what the lady does? She just want to take the picture on the decoration.